We crossed the border into Sioux Falls, South Dakota, a city named for its mighty river supplying power to industry of the 1800s. We climbed the watchtower, tried to get a bird's eye view. Hey, that's cool. I like that one. Beauty. There's a lot of paths to walk and a whole lot of water going over. Pretty cool, a lot of power, but I'm looking for some more. What can I do? I pondered a little bit, trying to figure it out. Release the drone! It was a pretty fantastic park. All kinds of walking trails, up and down both sides. A little cafe to hang out and sip your coffee, overlooking the beautiful falls. Pretty cool. Hard to beat this Tuesday in June. But daylight was dwindling, and like all good things, had to come to an end. So we packed up, headed back to the RV. So we went to check out the Corn Palace. The what? The Corn Palace. Say what? The world's only corn palace in Mitchell, South Dakota. Check this out. It's corn. And this, guess what? Corn too. And what do you think about this one? Maize! It's pretty amazing what you can do with some time, 100 acres, and a couple thousand nails. In fact, they change the exterior every year. And this year, South Dakota weather. Wouldn't want to be in that field. That looks nice. Ooh, too cold for me. We're off, cruising down the highway to our next free sleep site. I've always been one for beautiful rocky beaches, so we went for an evening stroll. Though some of us gave up early. From there, we chillaxed with a $1 million sunset, as usual. Hey, I hope you like this leg of the trip. If you want more, check out our blog at lifeenroute.com. And as always, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.